Hi, Neil here with Covers Camo, your source for custom seat covers. Today we're checking out the seat covers in the 2012 Toyota Tacoma. Kryptek Raid for both the insert and trim, super durable fabric, choice inside here. And now we're gonna check out some of the cool custom options inside here, especially this new improved special ops package carrying the bows. Let's do this. So here's the covers on this 2012 Toyota Tacoma. Again, Kryptek Raid for the insert section as well as for the trim section. So here's the trim on the outside here, the trim side right there. And then here's the insert. So Kryptek Raid matching for both insert and trim. Looked really nice inside here. Nice thing about doing all one camo pattern is that hides dirt really well and is very low maintenance. So that's one of the best benefits about doing full camo on it. And again, I really like how this Kryptek Raid just pops out. You get some good blacks and some darker grays and some silver and almost kind of a white in it as well. And just a really nice splash of colors inside here. Goes great with a lot of interiors that have blacks and dark grays, which is a lot of trucks. So definitely consider Kryptek Raid as either your insert or trim or both if you'd like to do the same look here. Again, I really like how this turned out. Now, a little bit about the fabric. This is a 600 denier nylon, super durable, water resistant, gonna be very long lasting and just look really nice inside here as well as protecting the seats. A really common question that I get is, are these airbag compatible? And yes, they are. Here's the airbag compatibility section. You have side airbags built into your seats right here. If that ever needs to deploy, it just blows through this side section, right through that, and you still get coverage in the meantime, but if that ever airbag needs to deploy, it blows straight through that. Here is the driver lumbar knob on this particular seat, and you can see how nice and flush it finishes out around here. I do have an install video talking a little bit how to install that, and really there's a string that drops underneath here and then tucks in to that seat plastic right there, and the string drops around back right there. That's a little bit about the install, but we do have an install video for you to watch, and just finishes out really nice like that. And if on your Tacoma you have that same knob, that's the fitment that you can expect with this. Let's talk about a few of the custom options on this setup that we did. The first one is the driver MOLLE pocket. It's a sewn-on pocket right up here, opens for storage on the inside right here. So you can drop down storage on the inside right there, drop your pistol, drop your gear inside this, and then close that back up, and then MOLLE webbing on the outside where you could hook on an additional holster, first aid kit, all kinds of gear on the outside of that. And again, that's the MOLLE pocket on the driver's side, and looking great in the matching Kryptek Raid with black MOLLE strips on it. Guys, one little note about this MOLLE pocket on Toyota Tacomas. This MOLLE pocket and also the pistol pocket, they go right about to the floorboard. You can see this is not quite at the floorboard, but it's really close. And on some Tacomas, it's right touching, even touching a little bit there. Now, if that bothers you that the pocket goes all the way to the bottom, because all the MOLLE pockets and pistol pockets are the same size, same dimensions, then take note of that. And if you ever needed to like trim this up yourself or sew one little line, make it a little bit shorter, you could totally make that adjustment easily, but that's something you need to do on your own there. How a lot of these pockets go on these Tacomas is right about to the floorboard. It may be touching the floorboard just a little bit. The easier one to adjust is the MOLLE pocket, so consider getting the MOLLE pocket versus the pistol pocket as an option for your Tacoma. In case if you want to end up adjusting it, making it a little shorter if you decide to do that. Guys, the other option for this front pocket section here is you could get a driver side pistol pocket. Now you could also do these on the passenger side. You could get a passenger pistol pocket, but the biggest difference between the MOLLE pocket and the pistol pocket is the pistol pocket is removable. There's a front edge of Velcro sewn onto the seat cover, and then the pocket itself has Velcro so it can be detachable. Okay, so that's the biggest difference. MOLLE pocket sewn on with more storage space. pistol pocket, removable, a little bit less storage space because it's a velour padded pocket. Guys, so the next option, custom option that's on here is the driver's side pistol holster. So where we are is the driver's seat cushion right here, and on the outside of the driver's seat cushion, right in between the hard console right here, that is where the driver pistol holster is sewn on. Now, it's pretty tight for a pistol there. I mean, we have about an inch of space right there. Now, if this cushion gets pushed in a little bit more, gives you a little bit more, maybe up to 2 inches. So if it's too tight for your pistol, the other thing that you can use it for is a cell phone. Slide your cell phone in there, works every time. The other thing I recommend in this slot is a Kimber Arms pepper spray blaster. They're about this wide and fit in there really nice. Maybe your wife wants to have a pepper spray blaster while she's driving. That's a nice option for her to just slide right in there, and fits great right there. That's the driver's side pistol holster right here. Now, the next custom option that we're checking out here is the Special Ops package. This is a new and improved Special Ops package. It has all the same functionality as our other videos that you've seen with the Special Ops package, but now it can carry bows, and that's what we're really excited about. So you can see that I have a compound bow inside here, and how this works is there's a clip up at the top with a strap to strap the upper side in, and there's a large pocket down at the bottom, down here. So then you can drop the bow in right here, and then take the strap, come around, and buckle that in right there. And you see how easy that was, just to drop the bow in, you're ready to go, and it stays in there nice and secure right there. Couple other new things with the new and improved Special Ops package that you can see is there's a big strip of Velcro up here for your morale patches. So I have the Covers Camo morale patch up there right now. You may consider putting in some of your own morale patches. So you could stick several morale patches along this right here and really customize that and change that out. So that's a great way to personalize it back here. The other thing is that these pockets for the rifle scabbards that open up now are actually a little bit deeper, so then you can slide in a rifle inside a padded case. And you can slide it in there, and again, it's just a little bit deeper right there, but it has all the same functionality as before, so you still can carry the rifles. The other thing too is there's another long pocket right here that you could drop the end of a crossbow in, and that would then come up and strap in as well. The top of it would strap in there, so you could use that for a crossbow. Now, technically, you could use that if you had like a longer bow as well. You could use that pocket, or you could even put in like a rifle inside here, clip that up, and figure that out. But that is actually designed originally for the crossbow, and if you're not using it, then you just take that pocket and it Velcros back up inside there and stays hidden. Now we're checking out the rear seats. So you can see here it's a 60-40 rear seat. So it's a 60 section and a 40 section. This is the double cab, so a little bit larger cab on the Tacoma here. And you can see the seats are still gonna fold and function just how they should. You can see some of the straps underneath here, straps to buckle system. Watch our install video to how I talk a little bit more about these. That's just a nice and tight fitting cover there. And then there's this little slot right here for your seatbelt. So everything is still gonna fold and function just how the original seat should. This backrest, again, nice and tight fitting here. There's a Velcro opening here that aids with the install when you're installing, putting this seatbelt around right there. Headrest covers are all gonna match up really nice. Now I'm gonna fold this seat forward just to show you that there's backside coverage back here as well. And there's a cutout here for that seat to still lock in on the back right there. So if you decide to have these seats flipped forward, you're using it for storage, then you still have backside coverage. So if that gets dirty back here, it's gonna be super easy to wipe down, keep clean. And that seat will fold back up right there. And a great looking set. So if you are considering doing your front seats, really consider do your front and rear seats, because it looks so much better when everything's matched up like this. You really don't even see what the original material of seat was, and it's just like a new skin for the seats. Looks really nice back here. so much for watching this video. This has been Neil here with Covers Camo, your source for custom seat covers. To see more, go to coversandcamo.com. We offer seat covers for trucks, Jeeps, SUVs, cars, and side-by-sides. Get your seat covers today at coversandcamo.com. Thanks.